I'm Ranjana and I'm going to share with you why I like the Fashion Sticker Stylist set. This album comes with 20 style sheets and over 700 fashion stickers. It includes metallic, puffy and paper stickers to mix and match to create a perfect outfit for every occasion. You can choose from garments, shoes, accessories, cosmetics and fabric swatches. This album will help your budding fashion designer in honing their fashion skills. All of your stickers stay organized in the spiral bound album and is easy to carry for styling on the go. Trust you found this useful. See you later.